before I wake. At least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do jack without the man upon my back. Now heaven would be a DJ spinning dub all night long, and heaven would be just kicking back with Jesus packing my bomb. And if you don't believe in Jesus, then Muhammad or Buddha too. And while the world is warring, we just sit back and laugh at you, singing, if I die before I wake, at least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do jack without the man up on my back. Now when most people think of heaven, they see those pearly gates. But I looked a little closer, and there's a sign that says do not escape. So if you wanna come to my heaven, well, we all gonna have a ball. And everyone you know is welcome, 'cause we got no gates or walls. Singing, if I die before I wake, at least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do shit without the man fucking with it. Then I got to the gate, pulled out a list that I've been calling fake. I'm sorry, friend, you can't come in. You got a list here that doesn't end. You're mad, 'cause I smoke dope. You're teaching any classes in how to cope. I find a place to rest my head. I'd rather be alone now that I'm dead. I Christian Hus soy way back in '87. We'll be busting Christ hands until we get to heaven. You think I really care that I missed biology? Got my education to stale physiology. With all your rules, you guys can chill. I'm gonna twist out like Mike McGill. Gonna twist out 'cause I got the skills. Gonna twist out 'cause I got the skills. Heaven is a half pipe. If I die before I wake, at least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do jack without the man up on my back. If I die before I wake, at least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do shit without the man fucking with it.
It's the blackout, Rory got the back out, showing my black ass, engine in the glass house, started in the crack house, Obama went the back route, killed Bin Laden, another 4 up in the black house, still got the max out, pull a mask down like a mascot, still trick with bitches, I with money, her with ass shots, good had room for one more, I took the last spot, re-up gang Peter, nigga, yeah, done hit the jackpot, whole nother level, then you add fame, that's a whole nother devil, legit drug dealer, that's a whole nother bezel, the carbon Automar, that's a whole nother metal, but still keep it ghetto. Behind the scenes, pull strings like Geppetto. The gun blow steam, whistle like a tea kettle. Running like the rebels, you an LV sports shoe on a pedal. I let you niggas settle, yeah. Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, so much trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, so much trouble on
him, so I got him. Tripped on Bristol Palin, then I accidentally shot him. Then it ricocheted and killed the game. I'm a problem, cause I wanna fuck the world, but not a fan of using condoms. Pardon my French, I'm going hard as my dick when I envision my tip on the crust of bitch lips. Mr. Lip Shits has been tripping since I met your reptar, Triceratops dinosaur dick. I feel it in my gut. To kill these motherfuckers is a must like the arm of my pits. You niggas coming shorter than a Bushwick Billy costume on sale during Christmas in Philly. Well, not really. It's getting kinda chilly. Let's hit a couple bars and get some bitches wet willies. Soaked getting jiggy with it and Bel Air's riches. With a bag of pills, couple berries and a biscuit.
Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind. On my mind.